Hi guys, so I just arrived Jos. I had to make a quick trip into Jos Plateau State of Nigeria to shoot some parts of the documentary I'm working on with a certain organization. It's been a long time I did a road trip, and it's about 4 hours, 4 hours long. Car was quite comfortable, air conditions reasonably okay. Car is really strong, Peugeot 406, because the road is really rough, you know. Yeah, I won't call it very bad by Nigerian standards because there are some really bad roads other parts of the country, but the road was rough, where you see layers of coal tar peeled off, but there's still tar underneath, so it's not yet a proper pothole, that kind of a thing. So very bumpy ride, very rough. I remember the days I used to love driving, and I know I've driven this road before, and the road wasn't this bad then. Yeah, it wasn't this bad then. So if you're an experienced driver and you have a good car, piece of cake. If you're not an experienced driver, you don't know the road, and you don't really have a good car, and I think we probably spend like 6 hours on that journey. So yeah, I'm here now in my hotel room, just trying to get set. This afternoon I'll be having some interviews. I have a meeting by 2 o'clock. It's about let's say 30 minutes, and yeah, that's it. So I'll keep you guys updated. This is my trip to Plateau State, trip to Jos. Out. It's about past 6 a.m. in the morning. Yesterday was a bit rough. Rough in the sense that, we had to get to work immediately after the 4-hour journey from Abuja. But I was quite pleased with certain things. I was quite pleased with the way I was able to use some new gear I acquired. I acquired a field world monitor for the camera so I can be able to view what I'm trying to create, clearly. And I also got a variable ND filter for the main lens I used to capture interviews, and I was quite pleased with the results, looking at it, and I feel like it was a good investment. Like I was telling my partner, the person who was with me yesterday, that it's not enough to just wish and try to buy new gear. You really have to get busy trying to use them, and this is why whenever I have opportunity to travel or to shoot anything, I try to go with as much of my gear as possible so that I can get used to using them. So yeah, that's the update for this morning. Trying to get ready to continue shooting this morning.